In today's world, buildings alone account for over 40% of total energy consumption and 70% of the electricity used. Electricity which is generated far from the point of consumption and approximately 15% of which is lost during distribution. To solve this problem, it is necessary to invest in finding measures for saving energy, more efficient use of resources, and creating opportunities to develop distributed production, a model involving minimal integration in our buildings to generate on-site electricity. At Onyx Solar, we know that minimizing the need to consume is the best way to save from the energy cost, which is why we offer multi-function construction solutions that integrate perfectly into any building types, providing greater insulation while simultaneously producing free, clean energy on site, all thanks to the power of the sun. But what makes our solutions special? How do our solutions add any value to existing buildings or new construction projects? Ours are multifunctional solutions that combine active and passive systems, provide a great many advantages to the buildings. Onyx Solar Solutions provide free, clean energy by using the solar properties. Diffuse an optimal amount of natural sunlight into the interior while filtering out ultraviolet and infrared radiations. Provide both thermal and acoustic insulation. Reduce emissions of CO2 and feature an innovative, customized design which can be integrated perfectly into any type of building. Energy generation. The solutions offered by Onyx Solar make it possible to generate energy on-site via the full integration of solar energy systems into buildings. Thanks to the power of the sun, we are able to provide buildings with clean, free energy without compromising the architectural integrity of the building. The energy, therefore, is generated where it's consumed, eliminating energy distribution inefficiencies which consequently reduce pollutions made from the conventional energy network. An interesting fact about one of our projects, Novartis Building in New Jersey, United States, where we have set the benchmark with the largest photovoltaic skylight installation in the world, was rewarded the best project in the New York region in 2014 by a prestigious magazine, ENR. This double photovoltaic skylight of over 2,500 square meters, which was part of the architect Raphael Vignoli's design for the building, brings in an optimal amount of the natural sunlight into the interior spaces while generating an equivalent energy needed per year to power 600 homes. Another great example of our skylights is the Viracopos Campinas International Airport in Sao Paulo, Brazil, where the 33 skylights generate 220,000 kilowatt-hours per year. In addition, a construction feature notable for its multifunctional nature is the photovoltaic canopy installed at the BART Intermodal Transport Station in Union City. This high-performance system, located within the cutting-edge technological environment of Silicon Valley, generates an amount of energy equivalent to power the lightings of more than 400 houses in the San Francisco Bay Area in the United States. In Kona, Hawaii, we installed a fully integrated photovoltaic canopy for the technological company Yahoo. Situated in a tropical paradise, it contributes to the clean energy production and to the achievement of energy self-sufficiency for this iconic project. On-site energy production makes it possible to enhance the functionality of certain features which were inactive until now, such as the street furniture and traffic signals common in our cities. Isn't it extraordinary that an installation measuring just 10 square meters can, over the course of just 1 year, generate enough electricity to power an electric car to travel more than 10,000 kilometers? In order to make these calculations, we have developed a simple, intuitive photovoltaic estimation tool which is available for free on our website at onyxsolar.com and can be used on any device. Natural illumination. Enabling natural light to enter a building is one of the most efficient ways of saving energy. It reduces the need of illuminating spaces with artificial lights, and it also provides a connection to the outside environment, allowing the building's occupants to feel more comfortable. Similarly, the transparent nature of the skylight provides a greater level of illumination than that of the conventional electrical sources by allowing the natural light to adapt to the interior space. In the case of the retrofit of San Antón Market in Madrid, our innovative energy solution through the installation of the photovoltaic skylights has been regarded as a benchmark project in sustainability, thereby allowing us to become a partner with the European Commission. Other examples of the photovoltaic skylights from Onyx Solar include the Hall of Alcira in Valencia, where the skylights diffuse the natural light into the inner courtyard of the historical building. An innovative retrofit solution of Onyx Solar is exhibited at a historical 19th century industrial building in Bordeaux, France. It features skylights composed of various amorphous glasses with customized patterns imprinted on each panel, a technology exclusively developed by Onyx Solar, allowing the illumination of the natural sunlight in the interior spaces. Furthermore, Cabinet House at the Maxi Museum in Rome, designed by Zaha Hadid, was rewarded the Building of the Year at the 2010 World Architectural Festival, where our photovoltaic skylights were featured. The innovative solutions of Onyx Solar to generate energy as well as to bring in the natural light into the interior while enhancing the comfort level of the occupants are also exhibited at Arcadia University in Pennsylvania with photovoltaic brise soleil. Likewise, the installation at the headquarters of GDR in Malaga features a photovoltaic curtain wall integrated into the facade of the building. Similarly, the adaptability of Onyx Solar solution is demonstrated at the Health Center of Punta Arenas, where even the Chilean Antarctic climate is not an impediment for our technology, generating sufficient energy to meet 25% of the energy required for this building located at the southernmost city in the Americas. Filtering ultraviolet and infrared radiations. The photovoltaic low emissivity glass, low E, developed by Onyx Solar generate energy from the sun, while filtering up to 99% of ultraviolet radiation and 95% of infrared radiation, reaching a solar factor that is between 10 and 40%. This makes the low-E glass of Onyx Solar an ideal choice of material for achieving an optimal indoor temperature. This advantage means big savings in HVAC systems by avoiding the greenhouse effect that is so commonly occurred from the typical glazing of the buildings. This high-performance photovoltaic low-E glass was installed as a curtain wall and a skylight in the 3 Michelin star Azermondi restaurant, which was also rated LEED Gold by the Green Building Council in the US. It has been awarded the most sustainable restaurant in the world in 2014. Due to the many benefits of using photovoltaic glasses of Onyx Solar, increasing number of customers want to incorporate this technology into their buildings. For example, the Port Authority building of Palma de Mallorca has incorporated a photovoltaic skylight featuring our low-E glasses to diffuse an optimal amount of natural sunlight while filtering ultraviolet and infrared radiations. Historic preservation and eliminating the necessity of compromising the aesthetic value of the building is also an essential part of Onyx Solar solutions. This is illustrated at a French national landmark, Le Petit Echo de la Monde, where the retrofitted skylights generate clean, free energy while being consistent with the spirit of Eiffel. In addition to the examples of adaptability in the urban setting, the bamboo house, built for the Madrid Pavilion, was rewarded the Best Urban Practice at the 2010 Shanghai Expo. Thermal and acoustic insulation. The low-E photovoltaic glass by Onyx Solar also provides a great insulation for maintaining a perfect temperature inside the buildings. It can also be manufactured according to the desired thermal transmittance value per each project. Furthermore, this low-E glass also greatly reduces the noise pollution originating from outside. The best example of this system is the ventilated facade, such as the one installed on Pfizer's Genio building in Granada. Its double-skin facade creates a spectacular pixelated mosaic made up of glass panels of a variety of sizes and color tones made specifically for the project. The building's thermal insulation, in combination with the energy-producing double skin, reduces the energy demand of the building by 50%. The structure also significantly enhances the comfort level of its occupants by insulating the noise pollution originating from outside. Other buildings also benefiting from these insulation properties include the main Coca-Cola bottle manufacturer in Monterrey, Mexico, as well as our very own offices in Avila, Spain. Innovative design. Onyx Solar's commitment to research, development, and innovation based on a strong belief in the principle of technological independence enables us to develop a wide portfolio of innovative, customized solutions for each one of our projects. The virtually infinite number of configurations for size, thickness, transparency, color, and even in technology, amorphous silicon or crystalline silicon, offer a total adaptability in photovoltaic solutions for both new buildings and in the retrofit on the existing structures. An example of this is the renovation for Bejer Market, Spain, where we developed and installed a skylight featuring various colors and levels of transparency to form a mosaic inspired by the neoplasticism of Pierre Mondrian, producing a quality design while maintaining the functional value. Another example of our ability in design, a minimalist one in this case, is the SML house concept, with clean, pure geometric forms and volumes. This building won the first prize in the category of industrialization and market feasibility at the Solar Decathlon in 2010 and 2012, an event organized by the United States Department of Energy. Further demonstrating our innovative solution combining design, functionality, and energy production, we have developed walkable photovoltaic floor. This photovoltaic floor material is available in a variety of configurations, including the backlit LEDs powered by the energy that is created by the floor itself. The world's first photovoltaic floor was installed on the campus ground of Science and Technology at the University George Washington in Virginia, USA. These semi-transparent and anti-slip tiles form the pavement that converts the sunlight into the energy sufficient to power 450 LED pathway lights installed beneath the panels. This floor, of large dimensions, has been selected by Norman Foster to be part of his design for the new Apple Store in his commitment to design innovation and environmental care. The use of this innovative technology has reached all corners of the world. In Calabria, Italy, the world's largest installation of photovoltaic floor, around 3,000 colored tiles, took place for an emblematic Mediterranea Terrina foundation. This architectural work bears a unique character in that our technologies are manifested in canopies, skylights, or an elevator with panoramic views, as well as the walkway, which is projected to have over 3,500 square meters surface area. A further illustration of the applicability of our solutions can be seen at the renowned Neapolitan Hotel in Italy, where the photovoltaic handrail with anti-slip treatment contributes to the enjoyment of an amazing ocean view. Reducing CO2 emissions. All solutions developed by Onyx Solar contribute to reducing environmental pollutions, which includes eliminating CO2 emissions to the atmosphere. For example, The integration of a photovoltaic canopy in Barcelona eliminates the emission of 7 tons of CO2 per year. The large canopy at Polytechnic University of Mohammed VI in Morocco, which is part of Ricardo Bofill's master plan for the Mohammed VI Green City, is exemplary of this feature. Thanks to our contribution on retrofit project in a building in Gotarrendura, Spain, the municipality has been given Livecom Awards in Seoul, a unique award that is globally recognized for the best environmental practices. Because our buildings today reflect the social conscience and responsibility, Onyx Solar is continuously developing more sustainable models for building practices. Lucia's building of Valladolid University, dedicated in applied research, exemplifies this model. This pioneering building has almost zero energy consumption and uses only renewable energy. With all these qualities of energy solution, Lucia's building has obtained 2 certifications, LEED Platinum and 5 Green Leaves. It has also been awarded in Mediterranean Sustainable Architecture 2013. At Onyx Solar, we are firmly committed to innovation in all aspects of our company. We have a highly experienced, multidisciplinary team made up of physicists, engineers, and architects. We are supported by major investors such as the Ministry of Industry's National Innovation Company, the Fides Group, and the José Manuel Entre Canales Foundation. We also collaborate with some of the most renowned architects, technology and research centers, and clients from around the world. We are the most ideal partner and the pioneer in the business of incorporating photovoltaic solutions to all types of buildings without compromising design. Our innovation in solar energy will help you realize your design imagination with no limit. As collective members of Green Buildings Councils worldwide, we reaffirm our agreement to create a thriving and sustainable future through cost control and reduction of energy consumption with green buildings. We have LEED-certified professionals to assess the impact of our solutions in relations with regulations and strategies for sustainable buildings. The green buildings are essential in creating energy cost savings and, in turn, increasing the rental and resale value of the building itself. Furthermore, these environmentally conscious buildings promote the well-being of the occupants, thereby optimizing the productivity level in the workplaces. The sustainable building practice is increasingly becoming part of large corporations and is receiving vast media coverage, contributing to the branding and reputation of our company. In fact, according to various studies, companies that are committed to sustainable building practice experience not only the positive impact on the cost savings, but also experience more favorable sales and market value of the company. These effects of the environmental sensibility make it easier to understand why there is continuing growth of buildings incorporating sustainable measures. This growing trend of environmental sensitivity and self-efficient building practice calls for an innovative, sustainable solar energy solution that is customizable for all buildings without having to compromise design or limiting your imagination. This is our contribution to a program of change towards a more sustainable energy model, where renewable energies and energy efficiency will guarantee our legacy for future generations.